Hi friends! Today we're going to be adding two addends by decomposing some numbers and making a 10. So let me show you what I mean. We have 35 plus 5 here. I'm going to show 35 plus 5 with my place value discs. 10, 20, 30. Now I've got my ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can see right away that I have 10 ones, and I know that 10 ones is the same as one group of 10. So I'm going to take these and I'm going to replace it with this group of 10. So if I had my 10s and 1s here, I'm replacing it with this. But I need to move this 10 into my 10s place. So if before I had 35 and 5, I know that 10 ones is the same as a group of 10, so I did it like that. And now I can see that I have 4 10s and 0 ones. So my answer is 40. Let's do this again, but this time we're going to do it with two two-digit numbers. So I'm going to have 35, but I'm going to be adding 25. Okay, so I've got 30. I'm going to put my place value discs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I have 25. So I know that that's two groups of 10 and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. I'm going to decompose these two numbers into 10s and 1s just like I laid it out. 35 is the same as 30 and 5. 25 is the same as 20 and 5. Now I can put my 10s together and my 1s together. This thing is a little slippery. Now I want you to look. How many groups of 10 do you see here? That's right, there's 5 groups of 10, which is the same as 50. How many 1s do you see here? That's right, there are 10 ones. 5 and 5 makes 10, which is the same as a group of 10. Now, when we add all this together, I get 60. My first step is I decomposed into 10s and 1s, then I added my 10s and my 1s. Let's do another one. Awesome. So now I've made 48 and 37. I made it in my 10s and 1s discs. You can be using your website, or if you have place value discs, you can use that too. You can also just use the dots on your whiteboard like we have shown before, where you just show a 10 and a 1, and then you would show like 31. So easy peasy lemon squeezy. So I have 48 and I want to separate it into my 10s and 1s to decompose. I'm going to decompose my 10s, which makes 40, and my 1s, which makes 8. What about 37? How can I decompose 37 into my 10s and 1s? That's right, 30 and 7. Now I need to add my 10s together. So I'm going to put all my 10s on one side. I have 4 10s, 5 10s, 6 10s, 7 10s, which makes 70. And now I need to do my 1s, but I see that I have a lot of 1s, and I want to be able to make a 10 because it looks like I can here. So I see 8, 9, 10. And what can I do with these 10 1s? That's right, I can turn it into a group of 10. I'm going to put these aside and replace it with this 10 and put it in the 10s place. So I'm going to put this 10 here because I know I'm adding it and I haven't added it to the 70 yet. And then I'm going to look at my 1s, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, that's become a really easy problem. 70 and 10 is the same as 80, plus 5 is 85. Let's look at what you're going to do on your Nearpod today. On your Nearpod, you have two two-digit numbers that you are adding. And I want you to make sure that you go through every step that Miss McIntyre went through, but there's not a lot of space to draw. So watch very carefully as I do this, and then you're going to do the same thing. I want to make sure my drawing tool is on, but on your Nearpod, you know how to use it. So my first step is I have 66 and 18. You can build this, or you can do mental math. I know 66 is the same as 60 and 6. I know 18 is the same as 10 and 8. Now is the time that you would want to go to your place value website or show it on your whiteboard. So I have 60 and 10, which I know makes the same as 70, and I'm just going to write this right here. And then I have to add 6 and 8. When I add 6 and 8, I want to go over here to my whiteboard to help my thinking, since it might be difficult for me to show it on my Nearpod. So I'm going to draw 6 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I'm going to make a 10, because I know that this makes at least 10, and I want to make sure that I get it. So I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the same thing as me having 10 ones and replacing it with a group of 10. And now let's see how many little ones I have left over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I can go back to my Nearpod and show 70 plus 10 plus 4. And I know that 70 and 10 is 80, plus 4 is 84, and I'm going to write it right here. Oops. 84. There you go. Just like that. So the part that's really important for you to write on your Nearpod is decomposing the numbers and then writing the total. If you want to write this on the bottom, that's awesome. That would be a really, really great idea for you to do. And then I'll see your work after. So have fun and use your place value discs, use your whiteboard, and use your website for the place value discs if you need help. Bye.